I want you to picture two 45-year-olds. Same job, same salary of $78,000 per year for 15 years. The first person checks their retirement account and sees $42,000. They panic about working until they're 75. The second person opens the same app and sees $480,000. They're planning early retirement at 58. Same income, same time frame, but a $438,000 difference. How is this even possible? Here's what nobody tells you about your 40s. This decade isn't just another 10 years of your career. Your 40s are the make-or-break decade that determines whether you retire comfortably or work until you literally can't anymore. Most people treat their 40s like their 20s with more responsibilities. They focus on kids' expenses and mortgage payments. But here's the brutal truth. If you don't have at least 3 times your annual salary saved by 45, you're behind. That means if you earn $60,000, you need $180,000 saved. Earning $90,000? You need $270,000. And by 50, you should have 6 times your salary saved. Most people don't even have 6 months of expenses saved. The reason your 40s matter so much comes down to compound interest in time. You have exactly 20 years left until retirement. Every dollar you invest at 40 becomes $7 by retirement. But every dollar you invest at 50 only becomes $4. This is why financial advisors call your 40s the retirement savings sprint. You can't walk anymore, you have to run. So here are the 10 rules that separate people who retire comfortably from those who work until they drop dead. Rule number 1, the 15% rule. You must save 15% of your gross income for retirement starting immediately. Not net income, gross income. If you earn $80,000, that's $12,000 per year or $1,000 per month minimum. This includes your employer match, but here's the thing. Most people in their 40s are only saving 8 to 10%. That extra 5% difference over 20 years is the difference between retiring at 65 or working until 75. Rule number 2, the catch-up contribution trick. Once you turn 50, you can contribute an extra $6,500 to your 401k. That means instead of the normal $23,000 limit, you can contribute $29,500. Use every penny of it. But don't wait until 50 to start planning for this. You need to structure your budget now to accommodate these higher contributions. Rule number 3, the debt elimination deadline. All consumer debt must be gone before you turn 50. No exceptions, no excuses. Credit cards, car loans, personal loans, everything except your mortgage needs to disappear. This frees up money for retirement savings. Here's why this matters. The average person in their 40s pays $400 monthly in consumer debt payments. That $400 invested from age 50 to 65 becomes $120,000 in retirement savings. Rule number 4, the mortgage acceleration strategy. Pay off your house before you retire, but do it strategically in your 40s. Don't just throw extra money at your mortgage randomly. Make one extra payment per year specifically toward the principal balance. On a $300,000 mortgage, one extra payment per year saves you $87,000 in interest over the loan life. Rule number 5, the healthcare reality check. Budget $3,000 to $5,000 annually for healthcare costs after retirement starts now. Medicare doesn't cover everything, and the average retiree spends $300,000 on healthcare. Start a health savings account immediately. HSA contributions are triple tax advantaged. Tax-deductible going in, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses after 59 and a half. Rule number 6, the income diversification rule. Your 40s are when you build multiple income streams before you actually need them. This could be rental property, a side business, dividend investing, or freelance work. Start small but start something this year. Even an extra $300 monthly from a side income becomes significant wealth when invested over 20 years. Rule number 7, the insurance audit. Review your life and disability insurance now because your 40s are your peak earning years. You need 10 times your annual salary in life insurance and disability insurance that covers 65% of your current income. If something happens to you in your 40s, your family needs to maintain their lifestyle and continue building wealth without you. Rule number 8, the kids' college reality. Don't sacrifice your retirement for your children's college education. They can get loans, you can't get retirement loans. Contribute to 529 plans only after you're saving 15% for retirement. Your secure retirement helps your kids more long-term. Rule number 9, the investment acceleration. Your 40s are not the time to be conservative. You still have 20 years for growth. Aim for 70 to 80% stocks, 20 to 30% bonds. Don't let fear of short-term volatility destroy long-term wealth building. Rule number 10, the automation advantage. Set up automatic transfers for all savings and investments. Remove the temptation to skip months. Automate your 401k contributions, IRA contributions, HSA contributions, and emergency fund savings. Make wealth building completely automatic and effortless. Now here's what you need to do this week. Calculate exactly where you stand right now using the 3 times salary rule. Add up all your retirement accounts, multiply your current salary by 3, and see the gap. Don't lie to yourself about the numbers. This month, increase your 401k contribution by at least 1%. Most people won't even notice this in their paycheck. Open an HSA if you don't have one, and automate a $50 monthly contribution. This grows tax-free for decades. List all your consumer debts and create a payoff plan. Start with the smallest balance first to build momentum quickly. This year, your goal is to reach that 15% savings rate and eliminate at least one consumer debt completely. Research one potential side income stream. Don't start it yet, just research. What skills do you have that others would pay for? Here's the mindset shift you need. Your 40s aren't about living your best life right now, they're about securing your best life later. Every sacrifice you make in your 40s pays dividends for decades. Every dollar you don't invest now costs you $7 later. The people who retire comfortably didn't get lucky. They made hard choices in their 40s when it mattered most. Your 40s decide everything. Make them count. If this helped you see what you need to do, subscribe for more real financial advice.